How's it going, everybody? Today we got a 2015 Audi A4 Premium Plus Quattro. It is a S-Line, as you can see, with the 19-inch rims. This is really a nice car. We just serviced it, fresh oil change, drives great. Interior, exterior in really good shape. 2.0 turbo, so it's pretty loaded up too. Got leather nav, heated seats, sunroof. You can see the outside of this car is really clean. So is the inside as well. Really fun to drive, sporty little car. You see here the inside, really good condition. Has a sunroof as well. Black leather interior. Go ahead and start her up. It is 89,000 miles on it. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, and it needs repair work, we also have a full repair facility here on premises. So you could definitely give us a shout for that as well. Thanks for this video, checking it out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.